What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some really expensive supercar fails. So we're gonna have Ferraris, Lambos, Porsches, McLarens, Bugattis, all of that good stuff. So some really exciting clips are ahead of us, and with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this.
Jesus Christ.
Alright, we are starting today with the R8 with a fully functional Mustang module, as you can see. Up next is a Lamborghini Huracan Technica, which obviously is heavily inspired by the BMW's driving style. He went full on BMW mode straight into that bush position there. And this is what happens when you go into the corner way too fast. Oh, that was a nice Ferrari 458. As an old saying says, with great power, there's usually a great dingleberry behind the wheel. There goes a banana peel slip and booyah, straight into the sign. I actually admire how this guy looked at the weather and was like, this is a perfect day to go for a little ride with my McLaren. Yeah, this is what usually happens when you combine rainy days, summer tires, and an expert driver.
Take a deep breath.
Ooh, V12 startup is one of the best sounds in the world. Oops. That was Horatio Pagani driving his Pagani Utopia, which is not a big deal. It's only 1099, who cares? And our friend here in a Porsche GT3 got into a little muddy situation over there. And now you're about to see the most expensive love tap ever. But if you drive a Bugatti Chiron, you probably don't care, it's peanuts money. Well, here we have another Pagani. And this guy right now is questioning his life choices probably. And this is a 296 GT B. F in the chat everybody for the carbon rear diffuser there. Oh. If you're wondering, yes, that crunching sound is the sound of pole position, and yes, this is a Jaguar XJ220. Actually, the main problem here is not the damage, it's how you're gonna replace the original part on a classic car like this. Oh yes, McLarens and their infamous high-quality finish. Now we have a Lamborghini Revuelto with a curved wheel, which is a shame, but it's not a big deal. And that would be the case if that was the end of it. Check this out. Yep, he also forgot to latch the frunk as well. I think maybe this guy should consider not driving at all. Whoa, didn't know Ferrari got an airline. Why would you do that with your car, bro? And another Revuelto in the bin. Such a shame.
So,
oh no, another F40. Another legendary classic.
And a semi-truck with those big lug nuts got a little bit too close
But
to
a little disclaimer, this guy is not responsible for it. Some random guy hit him.
Side swiped me all the way across and then got back in his lane. So.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is an AMG 1, or should I say was. This car has an F1 engine in it, and it's pretty cool. Only 275 units were made, and I hope they can somehow save this one. Oh, a little oopsie there. And this is a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, one of the latest versions of it. Oh, that's not gonna buff out. That is carbon fiber. Very strong, but not the most forgiving material out there. This gotta be the longest drift I've ever seen. I think this is a Lotus. I'm only not sure what model it is. But I guess it has a 4-wheel steering as a optional extra. No, 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 no! That guy went full John Cena into this Lamborghini SV. What a stupid way to destroy a very rare car. Unbelievable. And now this guy's gonna try to use the speed and power to turn his Porsche into the really expensive lawnmower. And again, here we have a Revuelto, the Aventador successor. And this one is completely cooked. Absolutely cooked. Up next is this absolutely beautiful Porsche GT3 RS. And after seeing all this, no wonder Australia has introduced the supercar driving license, so let me know in the comments what you think about that. Ooh, bro aim for the apex there. And this is probably one of the most famous Ferraris these days, all thanks to Matt. And he accidentally turned on the crowd-seeking system and ended up in the bush. You spin me right round, baby, right round. This is another Lamborghini Huracan Technica, which is being driven by an absolute apocalyptic dingleberry. What a beautiful color that is. Let's wish this Lambo speedy recovery. What are you doing, Beamer? You're gonna have to wait for another video. Sorry. But now it's time to deploy all those angry German horses and booyah! Oh, that's a Lamborghini Murcielago. They are skyrocketing in value, by the way. Oh, hello there. Hold it, hold it. That was one very silent ride home.
Oh my god.
On to the next one. What was that move all about? Whoa, bro. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ooh, that must be the pants-changing experience right there. And what is this? They selected the new Pope or something? Right. That must have been a fun night out. Someone did this and just left it there. Like it's not a big deal. Is that a normal 458 or it's a Speciale? I'm not sure. Dearie me. What happened to this Lamborghini Gallardo?
Well, the good news is it looks like it was mainly the wheels.
Yeah, but how did you manage to do that? It looks like nothing else is really damaged, so that's a good thing, of course. And now let's put all of those amateurs aside and watch this absolute driving masterpiece. Round of applause, everybody. Excellent stuff. This guy truly has a gift, because it's not easy to lose control like this in a four-wheel drive car. Oh no, bro. This actually makes me mad. Jealous people are capable of anything. This is completely unacceptable. Oh, hello there. That's not a good way to unload the car, especially this one. And something tells me this guy does not appreciate this. Oh no, that crunching sound. Out of all those cars, he chose to crash into a 812 Competizione. Let's see what we have here. This is most likely another rented Lamborghini Huracan who got carried away a little bit.
Oh my days, not the Lambo. Flipping out.
Pessoal, olha que judiação.
And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had amazing holidays. And also, if you enjoyed in today's Supercar special episode, please hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.